I'll guide you through how to enable Spotify lossless audio and everything you should know about the new feature without the technical jargon. If you're looking to achieve the best possible sound quality from your favorite songs or want to hear every detail just as the artist intended, you need to enable Spotify lossless audio. This tutorial will guide you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The Spotify lossless audio is a new high-fidelity audio format that preserves the full quality of the original recordings without compression. To enable it, open the Spotify app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner and then select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Media Quality. This is where you can select the audio quality for your music. From there, you'll see options for Wi-Fi streaming, cellular streaming, and downloads. Tap on each one and select Lossless. Once you've done this, play any song and look for the lossless indicator on the Now Playing screen. When you see this icon, you know you are streaming the highest quality audio available. Now that you've enabled Spotify lossless audio, there are a few important things you need to know. First, the lossless audio is only available to Spotify Premium subscribers. You must also enable the setting manually on every single device where you want to listen to lossless audio. Lossless audio uses significantly more bandwidth, so it will consume a lot of data on your cellular plan. A single 3-minute song could be over 30 megabytes. You will also need a lot more storage space for downloaded tracks. For the best possible experience, use wired headphones or a high-quality speaker system. Your standard Bluetooth connection may not have enough bandwidth to stream lossless audio, so you won't hear the full quality unless you're using Spotify Connect or a physical connection. Now that you've learned how to enable Spotify lossless audio, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Spotify video tutorials. Thanks for watching.